Aloha, my name is Garth Wolf, and I am on a mission to assist 100 million people to awakening to their full potential and living their best life through knowledge, experiences, stories, parables, techniques, and practical things that you can do is what I hope to provide on this channel. From my various teachings from shamanic arts, animalism, psychology, philosophy, alchemy, many cultures around the world, and my continued exploration into esoteric and mindfulness practices of how we can be our best selves and unlock all the aspects of ourselves, including so many different traditions around the world, and combining that together to bring value and content here for you that I hope you can take with yourself. As well as I offer coaching, courses, and I'm connected to communities that you can join to take this deeper if you wish. But for here on this channel, on this content, you can expect high vibe content that is both entertaining, knowledgeable, and can make a difference in your life to raise your frequency. Hope you are having a wonderful day. May you continue to have peace and joy in your current moments. Again, my name is Garth Wolf. I am an Arco-Iris Cuandero, a spiritual life coach. I assist people in transformation and integration, and I'm a breathwork practitioner. If you want to learn more about me, click in the link down below, as well as watch any of the videos on this channel with many more to come. Peace and love, my friends. Keep being your awesome selves.